Niger Delta leaders don't come outside. They come tell Tinubu say, he say oil wey dey for Delta, e no go reach Nigeria hand again. He say e don tey wey they take them for granted. As e stand right now, they go take over Niger Delta. He say the oil belongs to them and e don't belong to Nigeria. My people, this fight now who go settle am? Tinubu, I don't know wetin you go dey find you, but as e be like this now, Niger Delta don send message go give Tinubu. I want you to watch this video. I go play you now. May you see how it dey go. Don't forget say see there for Balabas gist, and as you dey watch am, make sure say you dey share the video. You don read for this last one.
Niger Delta will ignore Nigeria, and the oil will not flow again. There will be no gas. There will be no oil in Nigeria. Let the gold come to the central post. Let the iron ore come to the central post. Let the other solid mineral come to the central post. Let them know the impact of that money they are getting that is sustaining us. Look at the way an NPC is going. Nigeria believes that we are nobody. And the Niger Deltans would not agree to that. Niger Deltans would not say yes to what they have done. I believe that the people of Niger Delta will react appropriately at appropriate time. I can say Mr. President is ill-advised by whoever is advising him. But action speaks louder than voice. He took subsidy away, even though an NPC was the only buyer and supplier of oil who takes the subsidy on behalf of the government. He took subsidy away, and Nigerians today are not happy. He has destroyed the Niger Delta by taking the amnesty, the Niger Delta ministry, and with the plan to take amnesty. You will see, he was testing the water. And I know, we can see the conflicting rulings and judgments. Issues that happen in the River State, why can't they handle the River State? They take them to Abuja because somebody has paid them. Somebody's building houses for them. Somebody's building road for them. So what do you expect from them? That integrity is lost. And she has demonstrated that beyond reasonable doubt, how biased, how compromised she is. She has given a judgment. That is not the end of the matter. Every case about River State, we have Court of Appeal in River State. We have Federal High Court in River State. Why are they running away from the High Court of River State? Why are they running away from the Federal High Court in River State? Why are they running away from the Court of Appeal in River State? Why are they interested in going to Abuja? My prayer is these judges should not truncate this democracy. The way they are going, they might truncate this democracy. Because a lot of people are fed up. And Mr. President is just watching. He's just watching. The people of Niger Delta are already aggrieved. First, they will react. The Niger Delta will react. The Ijaw nation will react appropriately. In the eyes of the law, that's why I'm saying these persons are not interested in the law. The law is very clear.
It says it's affront to the Constitution. That's how it should.
The law is very clear. The Constitution itself is very clear. The moment you decamp from one place to the other, to another party, other than the party that brought you, you are to vacate your seat. It's automatic. And there are several Supreme Court judgments. Besides, these persons have committed perjury. Perjury, they have committed perjury. Swear to an affidavit that they have moved to APC. In another bit, they swear to another affidavit that they did not move to APC. When there are a lot of evidence, when they were singing on their mandate, when they had even declared on the floor of the House that they have moved. These are all records and evidence. And the Nigerian judiciary is having a blind eye on this crime against Nigeria Constitution. At least, for you to swear an affidavit under the law is perjury, and 10 lies is a perjury. For you to lie on oath is perjury. And yet, the law is closing its eyes. Yet, the Nigerian police force is closing its eyes. Yet, NBA is closing their eyes. Judiciary must do something. They must clean their house for them to have respect. Otherwise, they are going to destroy themselves. My message to Wike is simple. Sim is not ready to fight him. Sim still loves him. My encounter with Sim shows that Sim still have interest in Wike and is still protecting his interests. But there's a way you push a man to the wall and he will react. He himself said, the power of the governor he knows. Said nobody should toy with Sim. He's a governor. Small, don't see him as a small boy. By the time he will react, you will know yourself. He himself confessed it in the video. If you push him too hard, he will find himself in a mess that he would never come out of it. But I'm not also surprised because the activities of Wike as a whole shows the law of karma is taking place. Otherwise, Sim has no problem with him. Sim respects him. Sim sees him as his leader. Why must he fight a boy like that? Things fall apart. Said Okonkwo don't touch Ikomefula. The wife of Okonkwo told him, you must not have hand in the Ikomefula's death. He has called you father. At the end of the day, Okonkwo disobeyed. How did it happen? He hanged himself at the end of the day. So if he thinks he's pursuing Sim, he will end up hanging himself. He should retrace his step and make peace. Fortunately, Pandev has provided a room. Let him take advantage of Pandev Avenue and make peace in the state. You have ruled River State for 8 years. You became a local government chairman. You became chief of staff. Through River State, you became a minister, and you're back as a governor and back as a minister. What else are you looking for? What else do you need? Leave legacy behind. Don't destroy what you have done. Otherwise,
people know they take Niger Delta serious again because they go come outside, go issue one statement. Government will give them money, they will keep quiet. Their land, they no fit farm, they no fit fish. Everything wey dey for their land don spoil because of some people wey dey go dey collect money from government, and other people dey suffer for inside Niger Delta. You see this issue of Port Harcourt issue. If you no be the issue of Port Harcourt, Fibra and Wike, you no go hear this thing come outside. Niger Delta will always embrace the northerners, the Yorubas, and end of the day they will still come outside, come dey beg say they go do this, they go do that. But however, we still dey look them how e go end. Abeg una share the video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section as e dey hot. The Biafrans don talk say they no be Nigeria, nothing concern them. Even oil himself wey dey for Imo State and Biafra land, if you check am very well, if you pass the one wey dey Niger Delta, when Biafra come, we will know how to use our resources. Now so e be, my people. Wanna share the video as e dey read.